Wallo a'r tafliad, Robbins yn galw, mae'n cael ei ffenio, ond i'r mewndir, lle mae Declan Carroll yn disgwyl o'r bas yn ôl yn un ysgeilus, a mae yna gyfle fan hyn, a mae Lewis Harling yn manteisio y camgymeriad gan Ceri Morgan yng nghanol ca, ac yn erbyn i gyn glwb, mae Harling yn rhwydo gôl allweddol yn gynnar yn y gêm. Y bas yn ôl, mae'n groesiad peryglus, mae'n mewn... chydig heibio'r postyn gan Eli Phipps. Croesiad isel peryglus at y postyn agosa. Y cyffyrddiad gan Phipps. A Cropian heibio'r postyn pella nathi. Lewis Harling i Pen-y-bont yma. Ceri Morgan sy'n fod i fugeilio fe unwaith eto. Mae Harling yn cael y gorau ohono fe. Mae sgibo allan at Nathan Wood. Wood gyda Wallo tu allan mewn, anwybyddu Wallo. Mynd i hun ar ergyd yn cael ei harbed yn dda. Gan Idsi yn y gôl, ond arwydd o berygl y chwaraewr ifanc talentog yma, Nathan Wood. Embola, ond camgymeriad gan Embola, mae'r bel yn syth at George Iefsky. Tu allan iddo fe, mae Michael George. George, ymlaen at Kane Owen, dim cam sefyll. Owen, heibio i'r amddiffynwr, parhau fynd Kane Owen! Rwyd ochr gan Kane Owen. Yn curo 3 o amddiffynwyr Caerfyrddin. Griffiths rownd y gornel i George Iefsky. George Iefsky yn erbyn Idsi! Dyna'r cyfle i ddyblu'r mantais. Cyfle clir i Pen-y-bont. Declan Carroll. Peniad lawr! Mae'n smonach ac mae'n mewn, a mae Caerfyrddin yn gyfartal. Ac Elliot Scotcher sy'n hawlio'r gôl, a mae'r hen air nôl yn y gêm. Hanner ffordd trwy'r ail hanner. Pen-y-bont 1, Caerfyrddin 1. 10 munud yn weddill. Carroll. A'r peniad, ar ôl peniad, mae mewn ac Ebalo! Sy'n wedi rhoi Caerfyrddin ar y blaen yn wirthiol. 2 gig gornel, 2 gôl, a mae'r hen air ar y blaen yn y ras i aros yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru. Christian, that was a fantastic turnaround. How did your team win that game?
Well, I don't know. I think first half they were better. They were better than us. First ball, second balls, we were too deep. Something we addressed at half time. And the boys receptive to it. I mean, there's lots of different ways to win a game. And we've played good football, tried things differently, and today was a different approach. I knew that they would struggle on the set pieces, and we scored 2. That's our 3rd goal in a row from a set piece against them.
Rhys, that must be tough to take. How did your team contrive to lose that game?
I don't know. I think first half is as good as we've played. I thought we were excellent first half, played some great stuff, scored a great goal, and then just couldn't get the second. And we felt at half time that we needed to get that second quite quickly, because when you don't get it, and then they're always going to threaten. And I said to the players before the game, counter-attacks and set pieces, they won't score if it's not one of those two, in my opinion. And it's again, 2 set pieces really has killed us.
And that win must give your team, your squad, and your supporters a lot of belief in the race to stay in the Cymru Premier.
Yeah, look, it's the first of 10 cup finals, and I've said that from the time when I took over. As long as we're in touching distance, with 10 games to go, 10 cup finals. And I've said I've been involved in them before. They are fantastic games to be involved in. There's no better feeling.
Next week it's Druids away, and you won there last time.
Yeah, we've put in 2 good performances against Druids. To be honest, we've been playing well consistently. So the sort of our season at the moment is hard luck stories, and we've got to turn that round. But again, I said there'll be no white flags from us. We just keep going, we dig in. Good week this week, and we'll go up there and we'll find confidence.